This spicy chili garlic chicken stir fry is quick and easy to make and will warm your toes. I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen, and I will show you step by step how to make this delicious weeknight Chinese chicken stir fry using ground chicken. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of chicken schmaltz or chicken fat. Since I'm using ground chicken that is very lean, I'm adding in fat and flavor with the schmaltz. I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. Cooking, chopping, and stirring for about 5 minutes or until cooked, and then I'm removing from the pan. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this spicy Chinese chili garlic chicken below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in 2 more tablespoons of chicken fat and another teaspoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce or sambal. Cooking and stirring for another 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in 1 small finely diced onion. Cooking and stirring for another minute. This is really starting to smell good. Now I'm adding more vegetables. I have 1 diced carrot, 2 diced celery stalks, and about 1/4 cup of diced red bell peppers. Cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes. To add more bulk and crunch, I have about 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Cooking and stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the vegetables start to soften. Finally, I have 1/4 cup of diced yellow squash. Cooking and stirring for another minute. Now I'm going to create our sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to balance, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce for some saltiness, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Giving that a good stir to combine, and then I'm adding in my cooked chicken. Cooking and stirring for another minute, tasting for any additional seasonings, and then we are ready to eat. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice. This spicy Chinese chili garlic stir fry has a nice balance of flavors. I enjoy the flavor and texture of the ground chicken with that sweet, salty, and spicy Chinese sauce. This is a budget-friendly, quick and easy weeknight meal. I hope you give this spicy Chinese chili garlic stir fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!